Coming to the second concept, that's a super duper lovely one. Again, it's on Dola silk. Any size can be done, 4XL, 3XL, 5XL. Good afternoon everyone. Shri Krishna is once again back with its beautiful muslin, georgette and Opara silk semi-stitch concepts in a budget-friendly range. So let's quickly start. This is my first beautiful piece. This is on Dola silk. That's the lovely self-weaving embroidery. With this we have unstitched shantoon bottom. Easily fit till 3XL, 4XL size. And with this we have this lovely dupatta. Single color concept, free size can be done, and price range is approximately 2500. Bright colors, beautiful concepts for upcoming festive and wedding season. Coming to the second concept, that's a super duper lovely one. Again, it's on Dola silk. Any size can be done, 4XL, 3XL, 5XL. With this we have unstitched bottom, and that's the lovely pure dupatta with 4-side kalamkari border and booties all over. Again, price range under 2500. Bright colors, beautiful concepts, all for the upcoming festive and wedding season. Single color concept, that's on pure muslin. Beautiful concept, self thread and sequence work के साथ with digital print, unstitched bottom, pure dupatta with 4-side border. Beautiful piece, fit till 3XL size, and price range approximately 2000. Next one is a lovely Dola silk concept with beautiful kundan and mirror work neckline. You can see that's original kundan work. Opara silk पे है, साथ में आएगी shantoon की unstitched bottom, जिसमें पैंट, प्लाजो, सलवार, पटियाला सलवार, anything can be done. And इसके साथ आएगा हमारा प्योर बनारसी का डोला सिल्क का दुपट्टा. So that's the lovely piece, beautiful piece. Price range approximately under 4000. More colors, more patterns are also available. Coming to the next concept, that's all of yours favorite Sabya dupatta concept. A pretty piece, pretty pista green color with lovely handwork की neckline रहने वाली है सारी. पूरे पीस पे सेल्फ एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड वीविंग की स्ट्राइप्स रहेंगी, एंड साथ में आएगा हमारा सुपर हॉट सेलिंग सब्या दुपट्टा. प्राइस रेंज इज अंडर 4000 कैटेगरी. सो दैट्स द लवली दुपट्टा, अ pretty one. Beautiful shirt with beautiful sabya dupatta. Coming to the next concept, that's again a beautiful Opara silk concept with lovely kundan work neckline. See how bright, how elegant, how lovely the festive color designer pieces are. इसके साथ भी रहेगी unstitched की shantoon bottom, and that's a pretty Dola silk का दुपट्टा. बनारसी का प्योर दुपट्टा रहेगा. Price range again under 4000. All you have to do is take a screenshot, contact us on the numbers given below for any sort of orders and inquiry. Boutiques, exhibitors, wholesalers are also welcome. Coming up with the next design of pure muslin. So that's the pretty muslin piece, pure muslin का concept, साथ में सब्या की neckline, hot selling item, beautiful fabric, इतना soft, इतना अच्छा है कि no lining, nothing is required, easy hand wash fabric. All big sizes can be done. With this we have this pure muslin dupatta with 4-side border and all over zari work. So beautiful muslin piece, price range under 2000 category, sorry 2500 category. More colors, bright colors, इसमें yellows and all also available. Coming to the next design, that's a beautiful Dola silk का concept, bright color piece. Original Dola का concept, fit till 3XL size, साथ में unstitched की bottom and this beautiful dupatta contrast में. Price range again under 2500. So you can see these beautiful bright color, lovely concepts, festive concepts in a budget friendly range. So boutiques, exhibitors, wholesalers are also welcome. We ship worldwide and shipping all over India remains free. Coming to another beautiful muslin ka concept, that's a lovely pure muslin concept. Again, any size, any form can be done with a lovely and sober and elegant handwork की neckline. साथ में रहेगा प्योर मसलिन का डिजिटल प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा. 2 to 3 colors available. Price range again under 2500 category. Beautiful pieces, free sizes and lovely patterns. Coming to another concept that's on Opara silk. That's the shirt. Single color concept. Lovely handwork की neckline. Unstitched की bottom रहने वाली है. Any form, any size can be done. Again, price range under 2500 category with a lovely dupatta. So all these excellent, beautiful collection for upcoming festive and wedding season is available at Shri Krishna. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to grab these beautiful hot selling concepts. Another piece on Georgette with a simple dupatta, because I get lots of inquiries कि please share something with simple dupatta and heavy shirts. So I have 2 to 3 patterns in this available. At present I'll be showing only one, others are under manufacturing. So that's a lovely piece, pure Georgette with a lovely rose embedded in it and with a beautiful border, unstitched shantoon ki bottom and simple dupatta pure Georgette ka with 2 side borders. So simple dupattas and heavy shirts are the next trend for this festive and wedding season. So all you have to do is take a screenshot, contact us on the WhatsApp numbers given below. We are available on YouTube and Facebook with the name of Shri Krishna Textiles. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Thank you.